That carrot fruit that you think that is only made for juice can also serve as a snack when you use it the right way. Let me show you how you can use this carrot to make one of Africa's street food. I start by cutting and peeling 3 pieces of carrots. Once you are done peeling and washing it, you can use either of these 2 methods. The first method is using a shredder to shred the carrots if you don't have a blender. The second method is using a blender to blend the carrots if your blender is strong. If your blender is not strong, shred the carrots, add little water, then you can now blend. Once you are done blending, use a cheesecloth and separate the juice from the chaff. Set them aside. Now in a clean bowl, add in your sieved flour, nutmeg, sugar, salt, instant yeast. Mix to combine very well. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time, please subscribe and turn your notification bell on so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you. So after mixing to combine very well, you remember that your carrot chaff, you add it in and continue to mix until it's formed a very nice crumbs. Now go in with the carrot juice bit by bit. Once you add in the carrot juice, you mix. Once you add, you mix. Please and please do not add the whole water at the same time. If you add the whole juice at the same time, it's going to form lumps, which at the end will ruin everything. So add it bit by bit and you mix. So once you get to this texture, stop adding juice. You can now go in with your pepper. Please, if you're allergic to pepper, wear a glove before adding it. Okay? Once you are done mixing, get a very clean nylon and cover it. Also a clean kitchen towel or anything you can cover and keep in a warm place for 20 to 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, bring it out and in a clean pan, you add in your vegetable oil and heat up a little bit. Then you begin to scoop them inside the hot oil on a low heat. Remember to flip them over to fry evenly and also don't overcrowd them so that they will have enough space to increase in size. Once it turns golden brown like this, it's ready. Take them out from heat and spread on a parchment paper or on a kitchen towel to drain off excess oil. Now, if your batter is still remaining, you can repeat the same process to the remaining one. Fry, add them and don't cluster it and allow to fry. Once it turns golden brown, you take them out from heat and your carrots puff is ready. Will you be trying this recipe at the comfort of your home? Tell me in the comment section. And if you want us to give you a shout out in any of our video, you can drop your location, then we will give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all again in my next video. Bye.
This year is my year. No one can deny my progress. I will meet my destiny.